Right. Laggan road tracks. New main flowy red. Whoa. These features are massive. Whoa. Oh, nice. Oh, wow. Oh, nice, man. Oh, wow. This is a big gnarly one. Oh, that is so gnarly. Oh my god. Whoa. Right, there's an option for a red and a black here, so take the red one. Oh man, that berm. Had to stop there and get a video of that. Oh, this is gnarly. It's a bit tasty. Right, this is actually really hard for a red. Oh, nice to slam. Oh no, what's this? Jeez, oh no.
Yeah.
Right. Oh, that's fine, that's easy. Oh man, I've gapped that. That's a gnarly one to gap. Whoa, the berm. Right, I'm getting hundreds of videos. The pedal on this. Nice. Those tables are so big, and this berm. Oh, nice.